Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the low-pass filter in Audacity. This powerful tool helps you clean up your audio by letting lower frequencies pass through while reducing unwanted higher frequencies. It's perfect for taming harshness, sibilance, or general high-end noise in your recordings. We'll cover selecting audio, adjusting key parameters, and best practices for achieving a polished sound. To begin, open your Audacity project and carefully select the audio segment you wish to process. You can select an entire track or just a small problematic section. Once your selection is made, navigate to the Effect menu located at the top of your Audacity window. From the drop-down list, simply choose Low Pass Filter to open its dedicated control panel. Inside the filter dialog, you'll find two main controls: cutoff frequency and roll-off. The cutoff frequency sets the point where the filter begins to reduce higher frequencies. The roll-off determines how aggressively those frequencies are cut, with options like 6, 12, 24, or 48 decibels per octave. Experiment with these settings, using the preview button to hear the impact in real time. For the best results, apply the low-pass filter subtly. Start with a cutoff frequency around 5,000 Hz for vocals and adjust downwards as needed. A roll-off rate of 12 or 24 decibels per octave often provides a more natural sound than steeper settings. Remember to always save a duplicate of your original audio before applying any destructive effects, ensuring you can always revert if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.